Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. This lets discovery work. Plug in the Google Home device and keep it near the router for the initial link. Open the Google Home app and sign into the Google account you want to use. Once done, the app will scan for nearby devices automatically. Follow the on-screen prompt to begin adding a new device. This step connects the app to the speaker and prepares for setup. When the app detects the speaker, tap it to pair. You'll hear a short audio code to confirm you're connecting to the right device. Listen and approve the code in the app so the link is authenticated. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This attaches the speaker to your home network. Assign a room and a recognizable name so voice routines target the right device. Make sure your Google account is linked for personalized results. Finish by completing voice match and granting required permissions for calendars and media. This improves personalization and privacy. Test simple commands like, "Hey Google, play music," and adjust settings in the Google Home app, volume, default music service, and linked accounts. If the device doesn't respond, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the speaker and your phone, then ensure they are on the same Wi-Fi network and within range. If problems persist, remove the device in the app and repeat the setup flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.